a feeling when you're in work and you know after work that you're going to jump in your four-wheel drive, head out into the middle of nowhere, which in my case is the middle of nowhere in Wales, under the stars, under canvas, and you're probably going to have one of the best night's sleep you'll ever have. I'm excited. This weekend is camping weekend. Probably going to be the last of the nice weather before winter really starts to hit. So I've been in work all day. I've literally just jumped in the truck. Birds pooped on my window, and now we're heading. And we are going to Coed, a couple of really nice campsites. If you're not really into wild camping, then there's some really nice campsites in Coed. I do recommend going to the river, but tonight we're going to do it wild, no campsite, places that you can only get to if you're in a four-wheel drive. I'm excited. Let's get some miles under the belt, and we'll catch you up when we get there. Jesus, it's tight down here. It doesn't help when the 80 series is about as big as a house, and all these green lanes have been moulded to Series 1 Land Rovers and small Discoveries and Defenders. And this thing is wide, real wide. But you get to the other end of this, it all opens up. Woo. And the view, oh, have a look at this.
Zips at the top, he can't get out.
What a night. Beautiful. Actually fairly warm, which I wasn't expecting. So now is breakfast. Breakfast is needed. We're not too far away from town, so I think it's about a 20-minute drive down the track, heading to town, get some breakfast. It's actually quite nice to follow somebody else out of here. I've not been down here for a long time. Oh, good job. This 80 Raptor coated. It's tight as in here. And you can see it. There's just trees everywhere. And if you haven't been up here before, I highly recommend it. But it's such a stunning location, and the track is awesome to drive to get up here. But you're gonna scratch your car, so be warned. And I was a bit skeptical of Raptoring the 80, mainly because I wasn't too sure how the product would fare, what it would be like to use, because obviously I did it myself, and how it would look in the end. Now the paint when I got it wasn't great, but yeah, it needed refreshing, and to get the 80 resprayed was just mega money. So Raptor was the cheaper, but also obviously way tougher. I'll drive down here, scratch the hell out of it. There'll be no scratches, there'll be nothing. So, in my opinion, money well spent.
Hey, what you got? I've got a spare one. Sorry, I'm not struck you for a minute. Awfully sorry. Awfully sorry. You're having kisses again, right?
I think we have to go up. I'm not sure.
No, you carry on. You're not in it, don't worry.
Oh, what the fuck? I'm not drilling. Probably am drilling.